Hi, I'm Hannah from Sheet Leveler. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a unique list in Excel from a bigger list that contains duplicates. This is a really handy way to quickly clean up your data. Let's get started. Step 1. Select your data. Here I have a list of synth-pop bands along with some of their albums. The issue is that bands like Camouflage, Depeche Mode and Mesh appear multiple times. What I want is just a list of unique band names, one of each, no duplicates. So the first step is to select the range. Click on cell A1, hold and drag down until you've selected all the data you need. Step 2. Open the Advanced filter. Now go to the Data tab on the ribbon. In the Sort and Filter group, click on Advanced. This opens up the Advanced filter pop-up. Notice I didn't copy or move anything yet. I just selected my data and went straight into Advanced filter. Step 3. Set up the Advanced filter. In the pop-up, the list range is already filled in with what I selected. For me, that's A1 to A55. Looks good? Select Copy to another location. In the Copy to box, choose where you want the unique list to appear. I'll click into cell H1 and then drag down to H55. Now the key step. Check the box for unique records only. Click OK. Step 4. Review and move the list. Now Excel has created my unique list. I'll double-click between columns H and I to resize and make it look neat. And there we go. A clean, unique list of bands. If I want to move this list to another sheet, select the range, press Ctrl+X to cut, go to the sheet where I want the list, and press Ctrl+V to paste. Resize again if needed. Now I have one sheet for albums and a separate clean list of just bands. This method is one of the fastest ways to pull unique values out of a longer list with duplicates. Just remember, Data tab, Advanced filter, Unique records only. That's it for this tutorial. I'm Hannah from Sheet Leveler. If you found this useful, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss future tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video with more Excel tricks.